Okay, so many of you have problem in question number 3, so I am solving it. So here production cost is rupees 1050, then the producer sold it to the wholesaler. Cost price of the wholesaler is 1260. That means the selling price of the producer is this. Similarly, the selling price of the wholesaler is this, and this is the cost price of the retailer. Question 1, 2 and 3 is totally same. Now the cost price of the buyer is this. Now you need to solve the following questions. Okay, so let's start. Now question number 1, let us calculate by selling the cycle how much profit percentage the retailer has made. Now the cost price of retailer, cost price of the retailer is rupees 1449 and the selling price of the retailer is rupees 1666.35, that is 1666.35 rupees. Now profit percentage, this is equals to, selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So this is equals to selling price is 1666.35 minus 1449 divided by, that is 1449 multiplied by 100. Now we subtract, it will become 217.35 divided by 1449 into 100. Now if we divide, it will become 3 by 20 into 100. This is equals to 15%, right? So question 1 is done. Now in question number 2, we need to find the profit percentage of the wholesaler. Now cost price of the wholesaler is rupees 1260 and the selling price of the wholesaler was rupees 1449. Now we need to find the profit percentage. This is same as the all problems, so I am skipping this video. So this is also 3 by 20, that is 15%. Okay, now move to question number 3. Now in question number 3, we need to find the profit percentage of the producer. Now the cost price of the producer is rupees 1050 and the selling price is rupees 1260. So profit percentage will be what? This minus this divided by this, that is 1260 minus 1050 divided by 1050 multiplied by 100. Now this is becomes 210 by 1050 into 100, 0 1 5 20. This is equals to 20%. Okay, next question number 4. Let us calculate and write how much profit percentage has to be given more by a buyer. That is, we need to find the profit percentage which is given more by a buyer than the production cost to buy a cycle. Now look, production cost is 1050 and the buyer paid rupees 166.35, right? So we need to find that percentage which he give more. Okay, so first we will subtract this. Okay, now look, cost price of the buyer is this and the cost price for the producer is this. Definitely it's clear that the buyer paid more than the producer, the cost price of the producer. So the buyer has paid more. We need to first find the difference. So buyer given more. How much? Just subtract it. This will become 3, 5, 6, 1 and 6. This much money the buyer has given more than the cost price of the producer. Now we need to find the profit percentage. This much was the profit, and so profit percentage, this will be this 616.35 divided by what was the cost price of the producer this much. Here we need to find the profit percentage according to the cost price of the producer, okay, not to the cost price of the buyer. Most of the students make a mistake here, okay. We need to find the profit percentage according to the cost price of the producer, okay. So it will be 1050 here multiplied by 100, okay, into 100. So if you simplify, the answer will become 58.73%, okay. Now move to the question number 5. Now the last question. Cost price of the producer is rupees 1050. We already know it, but here we're asked to find the selling price of the producer if he sells directly to the buyer with 30% profit, and 30% profit means this much plus 30% of this, or we can directly write 130 by 100 into the cost price, that is 1050, 13 into 105. This will be 1, 3 and 6 and 5, 1365 rupees if he directly sells to the buyer with 30% profit. Now look, the buyer bought the cycle at rupees 1666.35. So earlier the buyer paid this much rupees, therefore he will save, he bought with this rupees, but now he is buying with this much rupees, so he will definitely save. So how much he will save? We'll just subtract it. 0.65 minus 1365. This will be 65.13 rupees 301.65. Okay, so this is the answer.